Hi, I'm Mariama Reister, and this is my sheep heart dissection video. First, we'll start with the visceral pericardium, which is the epicardium, which is the outermost layer of the heart. Then we'll go to the apex, which is here, and then the base of the heart, which will be superior to the apex. Then we have the left and the right atria. The right atria has deoxygenated blood in it, and the left atrium has oxygenated blood in it. Then we'll move to the right and the left auricles. These are appendages that are on the atrium. The right auricle collects deoxygenated blood and moves it to the right ventricle, and the left auricle collects blood and moves it from the lungs to the left ventricle, which is over here. As I just pointed out, this would be the right ventricle, and then this is the left ventricle. Next we have the interventricular sulcus, which is about here. The major blood vessel that runs through the sulcus would be the coronary sinus, which holds the greater, middle, and smaller cardiac veins. So next we have the pulmonary trunk, which is right here. The blood from the pulmonary trunk is going to the lungs, and it's deoxygenated blood. Then we have the aorta, which is right here. The aorta supplies blood to the rest of the body besides the lungs, and it carries oxygenated blood. We have the ascending aorta, which is there, and we have the aortic arch, which is here. The aortic arch houses the left common carotid, which is there. It also houses the left subclavian, which is there. It also houses the brachiocephalic artery, which is that one. Then we have the superior vena cava, which is there. And we have the inferior vena cava, which is there. Next we have the coronary sinus, which is going to be here. And the blood from these three vessels is going to the right atrium, and these are veins, and they carry deoxygenated blood. Now we're going to move to the internal anatomy of the heart. First we have the pectinate, which is on the inner wall of the right atrium. Then we have the myocardium of the right and the left ventricle. The myocardium is thicker on the left side because the left ventricle pumps the blood throughout the entire body, while the right ventricle only pumps to the lungs for oxygenation. Next we have the trabecular carne, which is going to be here on the inside of this right ventricle. Then we have the interventricular septum, which is going to be here. It kind of divides the left and the right sides of the heart. Okay. Then we have the bicuspid, which is the mitral. It's on the left side of the heart. It's going to be on the left AV valve, which is there. And then we have the tricuspid, which is on the right side of the AV valve. Hopefully you can see that. It's down in there. Then we have the chordae tendineae, which is going to be right here on the right side. It's kind of hard to see, but it's going to be at the bottom of those cord-like veins there. And then we have the cusps of the valves, which, as you can see it clearly on the left side, will be here. And then it has the same thing over here on the right side. Next we have the papillary muscle, which is on the left side of the heart, which is down here. And then we have the pulmonary semilunar valve. That leads down from the pulmonary trunk into the right side of the heart. And then we have the aortic semilunar, which is on the left side It's going to be right in there. This concludes my sheep heart dissection video. Thank you.